Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn abcde. Let's start. Purple color, pink color, black color, light green color, dark green color, grey color, neon color and orange color. Let's start. A for apple, B for banana, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat. Purple color, H for house, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nose. Light yellow color, O for orange, P for piano, Q for queen, R for red, S for star, T for tomato, U for umbrella. Orange color, V for village, W for water, X for xylophone, Y for yellow color, Z for zebra. Red color, purple color, yellow color and orange color. A for apricot, B for butterfly, C for carrot, D for donkey, E for eggplant, F for frog, G for girl, H for hen, I for inkpot, J for jelly, K for king, L for lion, M for mango, N for neck, O for owl, P for papaya, Q for quiz, R for ring, S for star, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for vegetables, W for watermelon, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.